Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on long division. And you have got to do 26 into 4,472. Or 4,472 divided by 26, and your answer has to go in this box. Now on the left hand side it says show your method. That means you have to write down how you get your answer. What is your working in order to come up with the answer that you're going to get here, and this will be worth 2 marks in the exam. So your key facts. You need to use the bus stop method to divide. Now it's already been set up using the bus stop method, so you have got 2 options from this stage here. Firstly, you can use long division or you can use short division, and I'm going to show you both methods and you can choose which one you prefer. If you enjoy maths and you're going to go on to do maths at a higher level, then I would always recommend you learn the long division method, because you'll have to do long division algebraically when you go on to do A-level maths, and if you don't know how to do it with numbers it makes it very difficult. So make sure you know how to do the long division if you are thinking that you enjoy maths and you may do it at a higher level. Make sure you write each digit in a box so you can see your numbers nice and clearly. And I would recommend you write down your 26 times table before you start, because that's what you're divided by, and it's not obvious what 26 times 6 is off the top of your head. You have to work it out individually, so it makes it easier if you've written down that times table first before you do this calculation. Let's pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Great work, hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. So we're first of all going to look at the long division method. So when we do long division, we say how many times does 26 go into 4? Now obviously 26 doesn't fit into 4, so we put 0 at the top. But before we do that, we're just going to write out our 26 times table to make it easier with our next bits of calculation. So I've got 26, double 26, so double 20 is 40, double 6 is 12, 40 plus 12 is 52. 52 plus 26, so 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 5 is 7, so it's going to be 78. Add on another 26, so 8 plus 6, so add on 2 to make it to 10, another 4 to make it 14, and then you've got 7 plus 2 is 9, plus the 10 gives you 104. Then I've got to add on another 26, so 26 plus 4 is 30, plus on the 100 is 130. Add on another 26, gives you 156, so 30 plus 20 is 50, add on the 6 is 156. And again, 6 plus 6 is 12, 50 plus 2 is 70, add on the extra 10 is 80, so I've got 182. Now you may need to go further than this, or you may not need to go this far. If you just write down a few, and then you could just keep adding as you need to, but I've just written these first few down here for you. So we're going to go 26 into 4, as I said, doesn't go, so that's 0. So we're now looking at 26 into 44. So if you look up here, I've got my 26 times table, it goes 26, 52, so it only fits in once. So I write 26 underneath because 1 times 26 was 26. I'm now going to subtract these values. So I've got to do 4 take away 6, which I can't do. So I need to borrow from the 4 and cross that out and make it a 3. And I put a 10 in front of the 4, making it 14 take away 6. So 14 take away 6, if you do 14 take away 4 is 10, take away the extra 2 gives you 8. 3 take away 2 is 1. So I've now got 18. 26 doesn't fit into 18 as you would expect, because this is the remainder, this is how many is left over. So I take this 7 here and I'm going to bring it down. So I'm now looking at 26 into 187. So 26 into 187, I look up here, I've got 26, 52, 78, 104, 130, 156, 182. So look here, it goes in this many times here. So we've got to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So we write 7 at the top because it fits in 7 times, and 182 was 7 times 26, that's that number here. I'm now going to subtract these. So 7 take away 2 is 5. 8 take away 8 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. I've now got to bring down the 2. So I've now got 26 into 52. So look up here, we've got 52. 26 fits exactly into 52. 1, 2, twice. So we put a 2 at the top here. I write 52 underneath and subtract them, and I will get the answer of 0. Now, it's really important that you check you get an answer of 0, because if you don't get an answer of 0, you've made a mistake. So this should always come down to 0. It should always come down to a nice number. Now, by using this method here of long division, you will get 1 method mark. So this is why the question is worth 2 marks. If you do this method making 1 error, you will get the marks for this. Short division is an alternative. So it works very similarly. I've got 26 into 4,472. So 26 into 4 again doesn't go. I've got to cross out that 4 and write it in front of here. I've now got 26 into 44. So we said 26 fits into 44 once. Okay, now this is the tricky bit where you have to count on from 26 to get to 44, or 44 take away 26 in your head. This is why the long division method is easier, because you can see the subtraction easier. 44 take away 26, we got the answer 18 earlier. Doing it in your head, to get from 26 to 30 is 4, 30 to 40 is 10, and 40 to 44 is 4. So that's 4 plus 10 plus 4, which again is 18. So there are 18 left as a remainder. So 26 into 187, we can see down here it goes in 182 times, which is 7. So 26 into 187 was 7. How many left over from 128 to get to 182 to get to 187? That is 5 left over. Then it's 26 into 52, which is twice. So both methods give me the same answer, 172. As I said, if you enjoy maths and you think you'll go on to take maths at a higher level, long division is the method that the examiners will award extra marks for, and this is the method that you should be using. If you prefer short division and you can get the same answer, it doesn't matter which, as long as you can get the right answer, you will still get the full 2 marks. Give yourself a tick. If you got it correct, well done. The mark scheme on this question shows there are 2 marks, so up to 2m, which means 2 method marks for the answer of 172. You can do long division with 1 error here, or an error at the top, or the short division will also give you a method mark. So there are different ways to get the method mark depending on what method you have chosen to use. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.